Welcome to my channel, Junior Kids.
Like veggies, oh yes, it's true. Healthy for me and tasty too. Thank you, veggies, for all you do. Growing in the garden just for you.
And carrots are orange, they help you see. Crunch them up, they're good for me. Broccoli's green, like a tiny tree, full of vitamins, so healthy.
I like vegetables, yes I do.
They're so colorful, good for you.
Red and green, yellow and blue.
Eating veggies keeps me new. I like vegetables, red and juicy, sweet. Cucumber cool is a tasty treat. Spinach is leafy, so strong we grow. Potatoes baked are a yummy show.
I like vegetables, yes I do.
They're so colorful, good for you.
Red and green, yellow and blue.
Eating veggies keeps me new. Peas in a pod, so round and small. Snap them open, we'll eat them all. Bell peppers bright, red, yellow, green. Add them to salads, they're the veggie queen. And cauliflower's white like a fluffy cloud. Steamed or roasted, it makes us proud. Veggies give us power, veggies make us strong. Let's all eat our veggies and sing this happy song. Crunchy, tasty, fresh and bright. Eating vegetables feels just right.
I like vegetables, yes I do.
They're so colorful, good for you.
Red and green, yellow and blue.
Eating veggies keeps me new. There's even more to add to your vegetable song. Here's even more to add to your vegetable song. Sweet corn's yellow, so soft and bright. Pop it in the pot for a snack tonight. Eggplant's purple, shiny and round. Cook them up, they're the best in town. Add a radish is red with a little crunch. Add them to your salad for a healthy lunch. Celery's green and full of snap. Dip it in hummus, it's the perfect snack. Onions add flavor, they make us cry. But in the kitchen, they're a star, oh my. Garlic is tiny with a punchy taste. It makes every meal a happy place. Add big or small, round or tall, veggies are the best of all. From the garden to our plate, eating veggies sure feels great.
I like vegetables, yes I do.
They're so colorful, good for you.
Red and green, yellow and blue.
Eating veggies keeps me new.